Brute force attacks are only as powerful as the word list behind them. You can use tools like Hydra all day, but without the right password guesses, it's useless. In this video, I'll show you how real hackers create custom word lists using tools like Crunch, CeWL, and Python, all for educational purposes only. Let's go. Step 1. Crunch word list generator. First, let's start with Crunch. It's a tool that generates word lists based on patterns and lengths. This command tells Crunch to create a word list of passwords between 4 and 8 characters using the characters A, B, C, 1, 2, and 3. It saves the output in a file named wordlist.txt. Be careful, word lists can get huge and fill your storage, so always be specific with the charset and length. As you can see, it have generated the word list successfully. Now, if we type the command cat wordlist.txt in the terminal, this will show the output of the file in the terminal. As you can see, it has generated a lot of passwords in the file. Now, if we click the word list file, you will see a lot of passwords are generated in the file. And if we scroll down to the end, it will not end unless you scroll down and wait for it to end. Step 2, CeWL for website-specific word lists. CeWL, this tool is used to crawl websites and extract keywords that could be used in passwords. Let's say you're targeting a login page for a specific company. CeWL scrapes words from their site, like employee names, slogans, or internal terms, and saves them in a custom word list. As you can see, CeWL has generated the word list, and now if we type the command cat combo.txt, it will show the output of the file on the terminal. And now the final step 3, Python script to combine keywords. Want even more control? Use Python to generate combinations of known keywords, like names, birth years, or common patterns. This script creates combinations like John 123, 123 John, 2025 John, and so on. You can expand it using lists from social media, breach data, or local info. After saving the script, type in the terminal sudo python 3wordlist.py. This command will generate the combo.txt file. As you can see in the file, it have generated every combo of the word in the script. Pro tips: don't blindly create huge word lists. Be smart and specific. Use leaked data from have-been or breach dumps ethically and legally. Clean your word lists with tools like Unique and Sort to remove duplicates. Drop a like if you learned something, subscribe for more ethical hacking content, and see you in the next one.